I'm going to show you how to invest in Bitcoin under your TFSA. Well, sort of. So my name's Darren. I'm a Canadian, and my current TFSA has the Bitcoin price in, and I've profited in 2020 with Bitcoin's price under my TFSA. So what's a TFSA? Well, it's a tax-free savings account for Canadians to avoid paying taxes on your investments. So if you're not Canadian, this video is not for you, but you can stick around. Okay, so you cannot invest in Bitcoin with your TFSA currently. I want to get that straight. Here in Canada, Bitcoin is a capital gains asset. So it's the same as a house, it's the same as gold, it's the same as some stocks. So all of your gains you get from this, so your profit is taxed at 50%. So 50% of that will be taxed as your income. Let's just hypothetically say you made $100,000 in Bitcoin profits in 2020. Let's hope we all do. It's getting pretty late. That 100 grand is taxed at 50%. So let's just pretend that was your full income for the year. You did nothing else but sit on your $100,000 profit of Bitcoin. So you now made $50,000 in the eyes of the government. You have to pay tax on that. So that $100,000 you get to keep, you're paying $8,000 on that for the year tax. So under a TFSA, you can invest in stocks or ETFs. And what we're going to be looking at today is an ETF. That ETF ticker symbol is qbtc.u. And this is listed on the Toronto Stock Exchange. So what you're going to need is a brokerage account in order to purchase this stock. A brokerage account with a tax-free savings account built in. So again, just recapping, in order to take Bitcoin profit under your TFSA, you cannot use Bitcoin. You need to use an ETF, which is an electronically traded fund that follows the Bitcoin price. The one available to us in Canada is called qbtc.u. There's other ones such as Hive that follow the Ethereum price, and some others I've heard of but I've never looked into myself. These ETFs are allowed under your tax-free savings account. So whatever you profit during that time will be tax-free under this ETF. So TFSAs have a limit each year, so just be mindful of your other investments if you've ever had those before, how much you can invest, what you can do. And reminder, this is not Bitcoin. This is just an ETF that follows the Bitcoin's price. A question I thought of right away was, what if this ETF portfolio loses all the Bitcoin? Will the stock plummet straight to zero? I'm not really sure. But I did look them up on their website. Their custodian is Gemini. And Gemini is a really trusted company in cryptocurrency. They're the Winklevoss twins, the guys who pretty much started Facebook and then got it stolen, but that's a whole nother story. So I hope that helps you learn kind of the ins and outs of TFSA, Bitcoin investing, how you can still do it, but kind of not do it. If you have any questions, let me know. You can go down below to start a Questrade account to purchase that. Hopefully this makes sense for you, and share this to anybody who's had that question because it's floating around all over the internet and nobody's kind of put a video together on how to do it yet. So thanks.